Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. So today I'm going to be carving out a couple small eagles. Hope you guys will stay tuned and see this video to the end. Thanks. Alright, before I get outside and start making sawdust, I wanted to let you guys know what I'd be using today. I'm going to be using my Stihl MS-170 with a dime tip bar, and I'm also going to be using this half-inch sander, file sander, finger sander, whatever you want to call it. Last week I put a video up unboxing and using this a little bit, and I decided I'd incorporate it in this video for you guys as well. This is just going to be a high-speed video knocking out two small eagles. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and also stick around to the end so you can see those completely finished. Thanks again, and let's get going. Alright guys, so as you just watched, these eagles are pretty simple, pretty quick carves. You know, I added a little bit of paint here to kind of make them stand out, you know, on the base. Just a little bit of gray primer, a little spray paint. I mean, sometimes just simple touches like that, those simple things that you add onto your carvings can really just help them pop and sell a little bit better at craft fairs and things like that. Now these carvings are just kind of going to be added to my stock for whatever events I have coming up. If there's something you guys are interested in learning how to carve, comment below and let me know. I'll work on a tutorial. They really are simple though, and we could probably just do a quick tutorial, walk you guys through it. If this is the first video of mine that you've seen, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you hit subscribe, hit the little bell that pops up and you will be alerted to all new video content that I upload. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.